Hey everybody, this is Adam over here at Motorhome Specialists. I am welcomed with Derek. He is one of our Thor Motor Coach representatives, and today we're going to be going over the Delano. So Derek.
So today we're looking at the 24FB, one of my favorite floor plans, but even more exciting, our brand new Largo full body paint. Exciting blue color that really pops going down the road. A color exclusively found on Delano today, maybe sneaking into some of our future products down the road, but today it's found exclusively here.
So Derek, I really love that the Delano is on a Mercedes chassis. Has a 4-cylinder, right? Twin turbo. So that makes better fuel efficiency.
Great fuel efficiency and performance. Coupled with that 9-speed transmission, one of the nicest performing platforms you can buy a motorhome on.
Okay. How does that stand against other competitors?
So I think getting behind the wheel and driving one of these really is what sets it apart. But even more importantly, we put ours on the 4500 chassis. So I just checked my cargo carrying capacity, 1,920 pounds. So almost 2,000 pounds of cargo capacity can go in this coach. That makes it the best vehicle out there for all the people and fun that you want to take with you.
So Derek, as we're looking around the Delano, first thing I notice is I see a diamond shield here, and that is to protect the paint from any dents or chips or anything like that, correct?
Yeah, so I remember the last car I bought, I had to pay a lot of money after the fact to have this added. This is something we're including as a standard from Thor Motor Coach to keep this paint looking beautiful up here where you're more susceptible to those rock chips and things.
Next I see we have a beautiful Girard awning here. You know, usually when I'm looking at these coaches, I see kind of an arm right here. Is this one armless?
So yeah, we call it armless, sometimes legless awning. Both terminologies are often used. What I love about this awning, first off, it really opens up our camp space. So we have an awning that doesn't have the scissor arm sticking out, intruding in our campsite here. Maybe more importantly though, is when this closes up, it's a fully encased awning, so that fabric is not sitting out in the elements in the sun, so it's protected better. The awning should last a lot longer because of that. Beautiful LED light strip built right in, and then a motion sensor retract. So as it starts shaking in the wind, it'll pull itself in automatically.
Wow, that's really cool. One thing too I notice also is, man, we got a really big storage container right here.
Yeah, and all of our storage compartments are rotocast plastic, so no organic materials in there. Not going to rust, mold, or mildew and get gross. You can spray them out. There's drain plugs in most of those as well. Tons of storage for all your stuff.
So Derek, I also see here that you guys offer a 12-year structural and a 6-year lamination warranty on your guys' coaches here for Thor. That says a lot about you guys and what you guys build.
We're confident we're building a great house. But like anything, you know, a house is nothing without a great foundation. So excellent warranties ensuring that this part of your coach is going to hold up for the long term. But putting that on a custom More Ride chassis upfit ensures we also have the best foundation in the industry.
So I see we also have a tankless water heater system here, which I know for me, when I take a shower, it probably takes about a couple minutes. But if it's my girlfriend or if it's my mom, it might be looking about 20 minutes. So having that tankless water heater allows you to keep drawing in that heat coming into your water, as opposed to a storage container where you can run out and you have to wait for your next shower.
Exactly.
So every Delano also comes with the Swan valve system, which allows you to have easier winterization, easier sanitization of your unit. And it also comes with an outside shower. And we also have the ability to flush your black tank. So now that we're inside and we're kind of in the cockpit area, first impressions, man, these seats are really comfortable.
Of course, absolutely.
Really comfortable. I know you guys have the blind spot feature here. I know you guys have some more safety features within this. Do you mind kind of going down the list for me?
All right, Adam, it's a long list. Active brake assist, active distance assist, active lane keeping assist, crosswind assist, attention assist, traffic sign assist, hill start assist, traction control and electronic stability control, emergency call services, driver and passenger airbags, front thorax, window, and overhead, wet wiper system, keyless entry, TPMS, that's tire pressure monitoring system, accident and breakdown management, and maintenance management.
So first thing I notice is, man, this kitchen counter space. There's a lot of space in here, right? Looks like we got a microwave here. We've got a stove top. What really impresses me is that I can pull this out here, and now I'm able to charge my phone, whether it's USB or I plug it in.
Yeah, it's great. We've also hidden in some other features, not just a microwave, also convection with air fry mode. And then notice TV placement perfectly across from our seating areas, so for great viewing for everyone.
Seems like we've got plenty of leg space here for this dinette table.
Yeah, very spacious dinette. You know, it's our dream dinette system, so the leg isn't sitting there where our feet are, so we have plenty of leg space as well. Easily converts into a bed. You can see we got a child safety tailer too, so if you're taking kids, we can put a car seat there.
Nice. Looks like I could even charge my phone right here wirelessly too. That's pretty cool.
Exactly. Cushions that go against the wall so I can lean back. It's comfortable. Cup holder, so a great place for my drink. I really think we've thought of everything.
Absolutely. I can definitely see why you guys are more popular in the Delano.
And as you can see, now it's down to just me. We're fortunate. Adam just had a customer call and they're excited to come see one of these. So he had to run to reception to go greet them. But I'm excited to show you guys, you know, this floor plan's so spacious inside and tons of seating with the couch and dinette. But where do we sleep at night? Well, that's quite simple. Remove a couple cushions, flip down my armrest, and just snap of a finger. I'm just kidding. It's not really a finger release. I've got my buddy pushing the button over there, but it's an automatic power bed that comes down into a full queen. It's accessible from both sides with tons of storage overhead, beautiful headboard, very comfortable sleeping position for night. So we've got a coach that's under 26 feet, tons of kitchen space, a couch, a dinette, all this space. So certainly there's a catch, right? It's got to be a small bathroom. Well, first off, you have tons of storage, 3 drawers underneath, and a medicine cabinet, and a good sized sink for getting ready in the morning. But you know, most importantly now, do we have a good toilet and shower position? So here's the great test here. I'm 6 foot tall, at least according to the state of Illinois, 185 pounds. So, you know, really an average size American male. Tons of headspace here, tons of room to turn around. But hey, last test. When I sit on the toilet here, there's tons of space. No problem here. This passes the test. Thanks again for joining us on this exclusive tour of the 24 FB Delano. For more information, go to mhsrv.com to see this unit and all Thor Motor Coach inventory here. Thanks again for joining us today, and we'll see you by the campfire.